Let's proceed with our MCQ for Quarter 3 Measurement and Geometry Lesson Roman numeral number 1 Trigonometric Ratios in Real Life Illustrating Right Triangles through Everyday Objects. Number 1. A ladder 10 meters long leans against a wall, making an angle of 70 degrees with the ground. Which side of the triangle represents the ladder? Opposite side. B. Adjacent side. C. Hypotenuse. D. Vertical side. Number 2. A 12-meter ladder reaches 8 meters high on a wall, which trigonometric ratio relates the height of the wall and the length of the ladder. A. Cosine. B. Tangent. C. Sine. D. Secant. MCQ number 3. A 15-meter ladder makes a 60 degrees with the ground, which trigonometric ratio can be used to find the distance of the ladder's foot from the wall. A. Sine. B. Cosine. C. Tangent. D. Cosecant. MCQ number 4. A ladder leans against a wall, reaching 9 meters high, while its foot is 4 meters from the wall, which trigonometric ratio is 9/4. A. Sine. B. Cosine. C. Tangent. D. Cotangent. Number 5. A 20-meter ladder makes a 45 degrees with the ground. If the height reached is equal to the distance from the wall, which ratio proves this? A. Sine 45 degrees is equal to cosine 45 degrees. Letter B. Tangent 45 degrees is equal to 0. Letter C. Tangent 45 degrees is equal to 2. Letter D. Cosine 45 degrees is equal to 1. Number 6. A 10-meter flagpole casts a shadow 6 meters long. Which side is the shadow relative to the sun's angle of elevation? Letter A. Hypotenuse. B. Adjacent. C. Opposite. D. Vertical. MCQ number 7. A person looks up at the top of a tree, making a 40-degree angle with the ground, which trigonometric ratio relates the tree's height to the observer's distance from the tree. Letter A. Cosine. Letter B. Tangent. Letter C. Sine. Letter D. Secant. Number 8. A 12-meter tree is supported by a rope making a 30 degrees angle with the ground, which equation shows the relationship between the tree's height and the rope length. A. Cosine 30 degrees is equals to 12 over the rope. Letter B. Sine 30 degrees is equals to 12 over rope. Letter C. Tangent 30 degrees is 12 over rope. Letter D. Secant 30 degrees is equal to 12 over rope. Number 10. A flagpole is 8 meters tall and supported by a wire tied 10 meters from its base, which trigonometric ratio equals 8/10. A. Cosine. B. Sine. C. Tangent. D. Cotangent. Number 10. A 15-meter tree casts a shadow. The angle of elevation of the sun is 50 degrees, which equation represents the relation of height to the shadow length. A. Cosine 50 degrees is equal to 15 over the shadow. Tangent, letter B, tangent 50 degrees is equal to 15 over the shadow length. Letter C, sine 50 degrees is equal to 15 over the length of the shadow. Letter D, tangent 50 degrees is equal to shadow over 15. MCQ number 11. A person 20 meters from a building looks at the top with an angle of 35 degrees. Which equation finds the building's height? Letter A. Sine 35 degrees is equal to height over 20. Letter B. Cosine 35 degrees is equal to the height over 20. C. Tangent 35 degrees, the height over 20. Letter D. Cotangent 35 degrees is equal to height over 20. MCQ number 12. A building casts a 25-meter shadow when the sun's angle of elevation is 60 degrees. What ratio is used? Letter A. Tangent 60 degrees is equal to height over 25 degrees. B. Sine 60 degrees is equal to 25 over the height. Letter C. Cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 25 over the height. Letter D. Tangent 60 degrees is equal to 25 over the height. MCQ number 13. A drone hovers 30 meters above a building and an observer is 40 meters away. Which trigonometric ratio gives the angle of elevation? Letter A. Cosine theta is equal to 30 over 40. Sine theta is equal to 40 over 30. Letter C. Tangent theta is equal to 30 over 40. Letter D. Tangent theta is equal to 40 over 30. MCQ number 14. A 15-meter tower is supported by a cable at 55 degrees with the ground, which equation finds the cable length. Cosine 55 cosine 55 degrees is equal to 50 over the cable. And then letter B, sine 55 degrees is equal to 50 over cable. Cable length. Letter C, tangent 55 degrees is equals to 50 over the length of the cable. Letter D, cosine 55 degrees is equal to the length of the cable over 50. MCQ number 15. A person at 15 meters from a lamppost looks at the top 45 degrees, which equation finds the lamppost height? A. Tangent 45 is equals to the height over 15. Letter B. Cosine 45 degrees equals to height over 15. Letter C. Sine 45 degrees is equal to 15 over the height. Letter D. Tangent 45 degrees is equal to 15 over the height. Number 16. A wheelchair ramp is 6 meters long and makes a 20 degrees angle with the ground, which equation helps the vertical rise. Letter A. Sine theta is equal to rise over 6. Letter B. Cosine 20 degrees equals to rise over 6. Letter C, tangent 20 degrees equals to 6 over rise. Tangent 20 degrees equals to rise over 6. Number 17. A hill rises at 30 degrees and the road along the hill is 50 meters. Which equation find the hill's vertical height? A. Tangent 30 degrees equals to height over 50. B. Cosine 30 degrees equals to height over 50. Letter C. Sine 30 degrees equals to height over 50. Letter D. Sine of 30 degrees equal to 50 over the height. MCQ number 18. A skateboard ramp is 3 meters long and 1.5 meters high. Which equation gives the base length? A. Cosine theta is equal to 1.5 over 3. Sine theta is equals to 1.5 over 3. Tangent theta is equals to 1.5 over the base. And then tangent theta is equals to base over 1.5. MCQ number 19. A roof makes a 35-degree angle with the ground and the rafter is 7 meters, which trigonometric ratio gives the roof side? A. Cosine 35 degrees equals to height over 7. Sine 35 degrees equals to height over 7. C. Tangent 35 degrees equals to height over 7. D. Cotangent 35 degrees equal to height over 7. MCQ number 20. A staircase rises 4 meters vertically and 5 meters horizontally. Which equation finds the angle at the base? Letter A. Sine theta is equal to 4 over 5. B. Cosine theta is equals to 5 over 4. C. Tangent theta is equal to 4 over 5. Tangent theta is equal to 5 over 4. The answer key for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson number 1, trigonometric ratios in real life, illustrating right triangles through everyday objects, is as follows from numbers 1 to 5. Numbers 6 to 10. Numbers 11 to 15. Numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. And Smile Road, this is Sir M. Thank you. So Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in the next lesson. Bye.